Chinese President Xi Jinping has asked his troops to prepare for war, state news agency Xinhua reported today. Troops should maintain a state of high alert, put all your minds and energy into preparing for war, Xinhua quoted Xi Jinping as saying. Sources said President Xi's remarks were not specifically directed at India, even though it came amid the border dispute in Ladakh. As it prepares to induct a second batch of Rafale jets, the Indian Air Force has sent a team of officials to France to oversee the logistical issues and review the training of a hand-picked group of pilots at the Saint-Dizier Air Base there, officials said. The second batch of 4 Rafale jets is expected to arrive in India in the next 4 weeks. The first batch of 5 Rafale jets arrived in India on July 29th. The Supreme Court on Thursday said the Allahabad High Court would monitor the Hathras case, in which a 19-year-old Dalit woman was allegedly gang-raped and assaulted, leading to her death. During the hearing before the Chief Justice S.A. Bobde-led bench, Advocate Seema Kushwaha, appearing for the victim's family, demanded that the proceedings of the case be shifted out of Uttar Pradesh to a court in the national capital. CJI Bobde said that while the Supreme Court is there if there's a problem, but the High Court should deal with the case. Following a tip-off, the Bengaluru Central Crime Branch on Thursday raided Bollywood actor Vivek Oberoi's Mumbai residence in search of Aditya Alva, one of the main accused in the Sandalwood drug case. Alva is the son of late Minister Jeeva Raj Alva and brother-in-law of Vivek Oberoi. He is amongst the 12 accused in the Sandalwood drug scandal, which is being investigated by the CCB. Farooq Abdullah, the patriarch of Jammu and Kashmir's National Conference, today announced an alliance with arch-rival Mehbooba Mufti of People's Democratic Party. We have named this alliance as People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration. Our battle is a constitutional battle. We want the Government of India to return to the people of the state the rights they held before 5th August 2019. Abdullah was quoted as saying by ANI. Taking aim at Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari over his letter to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, the Shiv Sena said Koshyari should be recalled if Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah wish to preserve the prestige of Raj Bhavan. In a stinging editorial in Mouthpiece Samna, Sena claimed that using the governor's office to attack the state government has proved costly for the BJP in Maharashtra.